Hello class. Now today we will discuss median. Median is again a measure of central tendency. In the last class we have already discussed with mean. Now median, how we calculate the median. As this is the measure of central tendency, it is again giving you idea about the middle value. Okay, so median is the value of the middle term of the set of variable when the variables of the set are arranged in ascending or descending order. So here you have to arrange your numbers in ascending or descending order, and then you choose the number which is present at the middle position, and that number is called median. Now I would like to explain this with the help of one example. Say the numbers are now numbers, let us take 1, 7, 4, 3 and 2. Okay, so our first step is arrange number. Now we can arrange in ascending or descending order, but we prefer to arrange in ascending order. So when we arrange in ascending order, we get 1, 2, 3, 4 and 7. And here if you see the middle number, 3 is the middle number, right? So we can say a formula for calculating the median of given numbers. Now this data, this is we can say that raw data, ungrouped frequency data. Frequency, no, there is no frequency. See, so this is just a ungrouped data, right? So for ungrouped data, we can calculate median by arranging the numbers in ascending order and then finding the middle value. Now here, so it is easy for you to understand that middle value is this 3. Like how you get the middle value? You cross first term and last term, then second and second last term, like that, and whatever number you get at the center, that is your middle number. But if the numbers are more like 15 or 20, then in that case this procedure will take a lot of time. So what we do, so we use one formula. Okay, so for that we should first understand that the number of term present in the data could be even or odd. Like in this example I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 data. So 5 is odd number, and for odd number out of 5 we have seen that the third value is the middle value. Now third value, how you can get value 3? So it is nothing but 5 plus 1, 5 which is the number of term, plus 1 divided by 2, that will give you 3. So here we will say that ki if total number of observation is odd, say n, then your median is n plus 1 divided by tooth observation. Obviously you have to arrange data in ascending or descending order. Arrange data in ascending or descending order. First, okay, so first step is to arrange data in ascending or descending order, and then the median will be n plus 1 divided by tooth observation. This is when the total number of observation is odd. And when second, we will say that when n is even, when n number of data is even, then in that case we have two middle values, Okay, like say if you have like x1, x2, I'm writing in ascending order, say x3, x4, x5 and x6. So total 6 data. Now in 6 data, what is the middle value? Okay, so if you cut one value from here, one from here, second here, here, then you get two middle values. So when n is even, so here, so after arranging, we will say that after arranging data in ascending or descending order, after arranging the data in ascending or descending order, we get two middle values. That is n by 2th observation and n by 2 plus 1th observation. So here I will not take two medians, median will be only one number. So what we do, we take the average of these two numbers. So here we say that here median will be, so therefore I will say that median is equals to n by 2th term, observation or term one and the same thing, plus n by 2 plus 1th term. If you solve, it is like n plus 2 the whole divided by 2th term, and this whole divided by 2. This is how you calculate the median. Okay, now we have seen that data can be represented in three way. One is this raw data, ungrouped data you can say. Second way is ungrouped frequency data, and third is grouped frequency data. So for all three type of data, how we calculate median, we will see one by one. Here first we have seen a simple one, the ungrouped data, right? Okay, so let us solve few problems from exercise, and then we will see how to find the median of ungrouped frequency, that is tabulated data, and how to find median of grouped frequency data. Okay, so here the first question is, a student scored the following mark of 11 questions of a question paper: 3, 4, 7, 2, 5, 6, 1, 8, 2, 5, 7. These are the marks. Now we have to find median. So here, as we discussed, what we do, we first arrange this data in ascending order. So let us write arrange data in ascending order. So first of all, total number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so you can write the value of n first. Okay, so I will write here, I will say that here n is equals to 11, and arrange the data in ascending order. So I will write 1, then the next number is 2. Now 2 is repeated 2 times. So 1 we have taken, 2 times we have taken. Then the next number is 3. Then we have 4. So 3, 4. Then we have 5. Now 5 also you see it is 2 times. Then we have 6, and then we have 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 7, 1, 2. 6 is there, 6 already we have taken. Okay, then 7 is 2 times, and then we have 8, right? 7 to time I have taken. Now count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Total 11 data, right? N is 11. So what is your median? So median, you will give the formula. Median is n plus 1 divided by 2th term is equals to, the value of n is 11. 11 plus 1 divided by 2th. So this is 11 plus 1 divided by 2, 2th term, that is 12 divided by 2, that is 6th term. So 6th term, just count first, second, third, 4, 5 and 6. So this is equals to 5. So therefore your median is equals to 5. Isn't it simple? So what we have done, we have first arranged data in ascending order, and then if number of data is odd, we use the formula median is n plus 1 divided by 2th observation. Okay, fine. Now let us move to second problem. So this is our second problem. For the following set of number, find the median. So again first I will check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We have n is equals to 12. Here n is equals to 12. Now next step is arrange data in ascending order. Now we arrange this data in ascending order. So first I will write 3. So 3 we have written, then we write 4, then 3, 4, then we have 9, then the next number is 10, then next one is 12, then 15, then 17, then the next number is 27, then next number is 47, then we have 48, then we have 75, then we have 81. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, n is 12. So we got the 12 data. Then we know that median, for that we will find n plus n by 2th term and n plus 1 divided by 2th term. So here let us first find out that n divided by 2th term. So this is 12 divided by 2 is equals to 6th term, and this we will get 6 term 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 term it is 15, and n by 2 plus 1th term. So n by 2 is 6, so it is 7th term, and 7th term it is 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, right. So therefore median, we will say that therefore for even number of data we have median is equals to, this is n by 2th term plus n by 2 plus 1th term and whole divided by 2. So this is 15 plus 17, this is 15 plus 17 whole divided by 2. So 7 plus 5, 12, and this is 3, 32 divided by 2, it is equals to 16. So here in this case our median is 16. When we have even number of data, this is how we find median. Okay. Now let us see a few more questions for better understanding practice. Here we have calculate mean and median of the following number. Now here two things we have to calculate. We have to find mean and we have to find median. So for mean we have to just add and find its sum, but let us first arrange them in ascending order. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so here n, we get n is equals to 10, right? So if I arrange data in ascending order, we get numbers as 0 first, then 1 is repeating 2 times, so 1 here, 0 we have done already. Then 2 is repeating 2 times, then we have 2 repeating 2 times, then we have 3 repeating 3 times, then we have 3 and 3 repeating 3 times, then we have 4 and then we have 5, 4 and 5. Check 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Okay, 10 data we have written. Now the next step is to find sum of number. So sum of number, it is equals to 1 plus 1 2 plus 2 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus this is 3 6 9, 6 plus 9 15, 15 plus 5 20, 20 plus 4 24. Okay, cross check once again. 2 4 6, 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 3 12, 12 plus 3 15, 15 plus 4 19, 19 plus 5 24. Okay, sum of number. Then find n divided by 2th term. Now this n divided by 2th term, n is 10, so this is 5th term. And the 5th term is 1 2 3 4 5. 5th term is 2. And n divided by 2 plus 1th term, and this is equal to 6th term, and 6th term we have 3. Okay, now for mean we will use the formula mean. The formula is sum of numbers divided by total number. In short, we can write n also. Now sum of number we have added, we got 24, and total number we have total how many numbers we have? 10 numbers we have. So 24 divided by 10. So mean we get 2.4. And for median, it is n divided by 2th term plus n divided by 2 plus 1th term, and whole divided by 2. So this is 2 plus 3 divided by 2. N divided by 2th term is 2, and divided by 2 plus 1th term is 3. So it is 2 plus 3 divided by 2, that is 3 plus 2 5, 5 divided by 2. The answer is 5 divided by 2 is equals to 2.5. So mean we got 2.4 and median we got 2.5. Okay. Now this fourth question, interesting one. The median of observation 11, 12, 14, x minus 2, x plus 4, x plus 9, 32, 38, 47 arranged in ascending order is 24. Find the value of x and find the mean. Okay. So two things. We have to find value of x, and median they have already given. Median is 24 and we have to find the value of x. So here in solution we first see what is n. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 8, 9. N is 9. Here n is 9. Data is already in ascending order. So median the formula is n plus 1 divided by 2th term. So n is 9, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 divided by 2 is, that is 5th term. That is 5th term. 5th term is first, second, third, 4, 5. 5th term is x plus 4. So this is median. Now the value of median is 24. Therefore, we say that this 24 is equals to x plus 4. So therefore, the value of x is 24 minus 4 is equals to 20. So therefore, I will write the number once again. Therefore, the numbers in ascending order are, so already these numbers are in ascending order. The numbers are 11, 12, 14. The numbers are 11, 12, 14. Then it is x minus 2, 20 minus 2 is 18. X plus 4, this is 24. Then x plus 9, so 29. Then we have, I think 32, we have seen 32, 38, 47. 32, 38 and 47. Now if I also have to find mean, so it's a sum. If we see sum of all these number, so 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 8, 15, 15 plus 4, 19, 19 plus 9, 19 plus 9, 28, 28 plus 2, 30, 30 plus 8, 38, 38 plus 7, 45. So here I write 5, 4 carry, 4 plus 1, 5, plus 1, 6, 7, 8, 8 plus 2, 10, 12, 12 plus 6, 18, 18 plus 4, 22. So this 2, 25 and divide by this is total sum. Okay. Now the formula for mean. So therefore mean is what? It is sum upon n. Sum is 225 upon n. So n is total number of observations we have seen, it is 9. Total number of observation is 9. So 9 to the 18, 45, 9 5 the 45. 25 we got mean. And what is median? 24 is the median. Again they are very close to each other. Okay. So therefore final answer we can say that x is equals to 20 and mean is equals to 25. Right? Now the question is, the mean of number 175344 is m. The number 324233p have mean is m minus 1 and median is q. We have to find value of p, value of q, and the mean of p and q. Okay. So the mean of number is 5. So first arrange in ascending order. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you have first data. It is 1, 7, 5, 3, 4, 4. So here we arrange it in ascending order. We get 1, 7, sorry, we have to arrange in ascending order. So it is 1, then 3, then 4, 4, 5 and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here n is equals to 6. Okay. So arrange it in ascending order, we get this. So therefore here we get median. Median is equals to n divided by 2th term plus n divided by 2th, n divided by plus 1th term whole divided by 2. So total number of observation is 6, so it is 6 divided by 2. Third term plus 4th term and whole divided by 2. So third term is 4 and fourth term is also 4. So this is 4 plus 4 divided by 2 and the result we get is 4. Okay, so median we got 4 and here they mentioned that m is the median. So therefore m is equals to 4. Now we have second data. Second data we have 3, 2, 4, 2, 3, 3, 3, 2, 4, then 2, 3, 3. Okay, 3, 2, 4, 2, 3, 3, P and one more term P. Second data, this is the second data. So here n is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. N is equals to 7. Median is equals to, what is median? Median is 20. Median is, sorry, the question is here. Have the mean is given n minus 1 and median is q. So median is q and mean is equals to m minus 1 is equals to, now the value of m is 4, so it is 3. Mean is 3. Okay, median is 7, mean is 3. So first let us arrange the data in ascending order, but the problem is that P where we include, that we don't know. So before that we should know the value of P. So here first we find sum. Sum is equals to 3 plus 2, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 2 11, or let us show here 3 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus P, that give you 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 2 11, 11 plus 3, 11 plus 3 14, 14 plus 3 17. So this is 17 plus P. This is sum, and therefore mean equal to 17 plus P upon n is 7 here. So therefore mean, we have the value of mean as 3 equal to 17 plus P divided by 7. So from here we get 21 equal to 17 plus P, and this will give the value of P as 21 minus 17 is equals to 4. Okay, now we arrange data in ascending order. Arrange data in ascending order. Okay, so we will arrange the data in ascending order. So we start with 2. So 2 2 3 3 3 2 2. Let us write data is 2 2. Then the value of P is 4. Okay, so then we have 3 3 3. Then we have 4 and 4. The value of P is also 4, and 1 4 is here in the data. So 4 4, right? Total 7 data. Let's see. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, all the data we have arranged. Now here median is n plus 1 divided by 2th observation. The value of n is 7, so 7 plus 1, 8, 8 divided by 2, that is 4th observation. And q, median is q is equals to 4th observation, so first, second, third, fourth observation is 3. So we get the value of q as 3. Now we have value of p, value of q, value of p is 4, value of q is 3. So therefore I will say that p is 4, q is 3, and obviously we have find out the value of m also, and m median is the value of m, not median. Yes, median for the first data, m is equals to 4. So all these values we have to find out. We have find the value of m as 4. The second part of the question is, if we see the second part, we have to find q, find p, find q, and the mean of p and q. So m is not required, mean of p and q. So here mean of p and q. Mean of p and q is what? P plus q divided by 2 is equals to 4 plus 3 divided by 2. 4 plus 3, it is 7. 7 divided by 2. So this is 7 divided by 2, it is equals to 3.5. So this is mean of p and q, right? Okay. So here we have good amount of practice to find median of ungrouped data. How we do? We first count how many numbers are there. If it is odd, the formula is different. If it is even, the formula is different. Then we arrange data in ascending order and apply the formula. Yes, okay. So let us wrap our lecture here. In the next class we will see median of ungrouped frequency data and grouped frequency data. Thank you.